Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, we'll be looking at 5 of my police cars, mostly LAPD, with the black and white color scheme. I've got a couple of Greenlight collectibles, part of the Hollywood series. I've got a 2001 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I think it was from the movie Drive. If I'm correct, Ryan Reynolds. Then I've got a 1977 Dodge Monaco from the Terminator. I've got a couple of 596 models. I've got a LAPD Chevrolet Tahoe, and I've got a LAPD Chevrolet Impala, and I've got this unique piece by Era Car. It's a Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. So I'll get them out of the blister packaging, get them out of the box packaging and stuff, take a look at them, then I'll put them on the turntable as usual. So sit back and relax, guys. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy the unboxing video. Okay, I'm going to start off with the 596 models. These guys have been around for like a year or so, but I'm quite happy and impressed with their releases. Pretty neat, true to scale, and quite highly detailed too, and very reasonably priced as well. They're not as pricey as your Mini GT or Tarmac Works, but pretty decent, guys. That's the car. LAPD Chevy Impala. They've got a license plate, plastic headlights, siren lights, well-detailed livery, plastic taillights. Just awesome, guys. And I'm a big fan of service vehicles, especially police cars. So one of my favorites is NYPD, and the next favorite is this LAPD cars. So yeah, I had to have these in my collection. All right, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay, next one I have is a LAPD Chevrolet Tahoe. I've got this in another brand as well. Pretty decent, guys. All right, let's get it out of the pack and take a closer look. The good thing about this brand, 596 guys, like Greenlight, they also give you metal body and metal chassis. And you can just feel the actual weight itself, pretty weighty. It's got the siren lights, pretty decent livery, black and white color scheme, license plate. Logo. Pretty neatly and highly detailed, guys. All right, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay guys, let's move on to the blister packs. I might do the green lights first and then look at that unique and beautiful Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. I'll go with the LAPD Ford Crown Victoria from the movie Drive. There you go, guys. 2001 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Beautifully detailed siren lights, black and white LAPD color scheme. They've got a license plate. It's all painted, but still pretty neat and detailed. Okay, I'll put them on the turntable for a 360 view. I just remembered, guys, with Greenlight, it's always a hit and miss, and I'm pretty sure I can pry this open. Yes, there you go. No detailing whatsoever on the engine, but the fact that a 1/64 scale has a opening hood and a visible engine, quite satisfied. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Greenlight 1977 Dodge Monaco from the Terminator movies, or the first Terminator, sorry, from '84. Just wanted to show you guys the back as well. They've got a little synopsis of the movie, The Terminator, with the endoskeleton. This one's one of my favorite, guys. I've also got this in 1:43 scale, and that's released by Greenlight as well, like Greenlight Collectibles. Pretty detailed for the scale and size. It's all painted, chrome grille, headlights, blinkers, license plate, siren lights on top, detail livery, blinkers, taillights, license plate. And before I forget, let's look at this. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, that one's got a nice blue engine, guys. Under the hood, looks pretty good. All right, turntable time. Okay, we're down to the last one, guys. One of my favorites. Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 6x6. Looks more like a pickup truck. Highly detailed. This one's called Car, the brand. It's a brand out of Hong Kong. They do pretty good releases, like overall service vehicles from throughout the world, various countries. They do little taxis, cabs, I think a few construction vehicles as well, but quite impressive with the detailing and stuff. There you go, a Hong Kong design, obviously made in China. It's licensed as well, Mercedes-Benz approved. So yeah, quite likely when I first saw it, and I had to get it. Alright, I'll give you guys a closer look now. There's the beauty, guys. Pickup truck, 6x6. Pretty neat. Metal chassis base as well, so a lot heavier than your usual 164 releases. They're giving it plastic headlights, beautiful chrome on the grille and logo, siren lights, precinct or number on the roof of the car, LAPD livery, plastic taillights, chrome bumper, chrome on the back as well, side steps and side exhaust. Beautiful, guys, no complaints. And this one actually came with the box as well for storage, like your mini GTs and Tarmac works. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of the video. That's all the cars we had to look at in today's unboxing video. We started off with the Chevy Impala, the Chevy Tahoe, Ford Crown Victoria, Dodge Monaco, and last but not the least, the Mercedes-Benz AMG 6x6. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, God bless you all and stay blessed. I'll catch you guys in my next unboxing video. Thanks guys.